morning and welcome to this Gardener Gone Wild, Wild Ranger, Rangering Report. At the moment we are approaching the 300 metre mark. That turns to a 250 metre mark with a very short distance, and as we know that's all due to dark meters. We have a lovely bush-clad valley, the Zealandia Ute just passed, and a weather front moving in. What else would really happen? A weather front. A front of a weather. Anyway, I think that's enough for now, for this morning. It's time for me to do some rangering, some wild rangering. And that's all for now. Here we have a small little robin. And here we have a saddleback. So yes, we're in Zealandia and there's lots and lots of critters about. So as you can see, we're in some trees. And there's heaps of birds talking just before. Got the lake down there, and it's a nice little quiet seat. And the great thing about this little spot is it's actually right in the middle of the main, that's a main road. But you know, closest thing that comes to a road in Zealandia, Lake Road. And if we just go up these steps here, got lovely ferns by the side. Oh, looks like we've got a little perching lily they planted there. That's cool. See, there we are on Lake Road. So anyway, though it looks really sunny, about 4 o'clock now, which is still fairly early, but I'll have to head off and disappear very soon. So I'll just go for a little bit longer, and then that'll probably be me for today. Just love how luscious the corkwood trees look, the foul trees. It's W-H-A-U. Foul trees. We've got birdies. Might just quickly pop down to the pontoon way. Always like it down there. Of course, we've got all this broom flowering. Well, is it broom? It looks like something weird. It looks like almost like a tree lucerne. It could be a yellow flowering tree lucerne, actually. Yeah, I think it's a yellow flowering tree lucerne. That's interesting. Very interesting. Anyway. And down we go. Got a bundle of ducks. And a couple of shags. Actually a whole bundle as well. Anyway, moving along. Right here is one of the native diving ducks. As you can see, they're a diving duck. In fact, we just have to wait for the duck to resurface. Okay, it's been about 15 seconds. Okay, duck. Where's... Oh, duck! There we go! Amazing. They just dive. So you're a diving duck. You're a tiny little thing. Much smaller than a mallard. And now you're not diving. Oh, oh. Or is it this duck? Yep, there we go. Ducky dive again. And where will the duck surface? Where's the duck? No, I think the duck has dove off somewhere else. I don't know where the duck is. Oh, there's a duck. There's the duck. And that's why they're called diving ducks. Anyway, enough of that. Just head along. Got a little boat parked up. We always close the Takahe gate. So here, on this lemon wood, we have some of the native mistletoe. Yes, those little green things are green mistletoe. It's green and it's a mistletoe. And mistletoe is a parasite. And a parasite grows on other things and extracts nutrients and water from other things, like this lemon wood. So anyway, this path has just recently been done. Fresh gravel and all. And this lawn's being redone as well, the Takahe lawn. And I can't see any Takahe right now. But when the feed goes out there, they usually get one of them popping along. Takahe. So anyway, I think that's all for today. Definitely don't have time to go up to Top Dam, obviously. That's what that sign says. Top Dam. And we've got the little wetlands along here. So you can see they're wet. What else would they be? So I think that's enough of wild rangering for today. See, I've even got my snazzy hat. What else do you need? That's all for now on Gardener Gone Wild. But wait, there's more. And I didn't even stop the video. Usually always stop the video when there's more. I've got this little wine berry here. And firstly the settlers made something of a wine of the berries. Other than that, please remember to like, subscribe, comment if you feel like it, and continue watching these cool videos. So that's all for now from the Wild Ranger. That's enough. Definitely enough.